Hi, welcome to the 24th tutorial of Space Invaders. In this tutorial we'll be adding sound, so let's get started. Let's add a new package. Call that sound. Create a new class and call that sound. And in this class we'll get it to implement line listener. Once we've done that, just implement that method and we'll come back to that. Then come in sound and do path. Add a catch block. Just in here, just do print stat trace. So now that we're in here, let's do URL get class, get resource, and then just put in a little path there. So import that. Next thing we need is an input stream. We'll get that from the audio system. I use normal URL. And the next thing we want to do is add a audio format. Let's just go that format, and in there we'll just get that from our input stream. And then we want a data line info. Just call that info, and then do new info, clip class, here's our format, and just import that there. And now that we've done that, let's create a field. That'll be a clip, and call it sound clip. So sound clip equals sound clip, and use the audio system and get line and use the info. We'll need to cast that. Next thing we want to do is do sound clip and do set or open and use our input stream, and do sound clip add listener, which is this class. So now that we've done that, let's go on over our update method, and we'll do event get type, and then do equals line event dot type dot close, sorry, stop. Right, and we've done that, so we can do let's do sound set frame to 1. So what this will do when our event equals stop, then we want to reset the clip to frame 1 again. So the next part will be adding a new method called play, and in this it's quite simple. Sound clip dot, sorry, try start. So that will just play our sound, and then we'll add a new one and call it loop, and sound clip loop, and the clip actually has loop continuously, so we'll do that. Another method and call that stop, sound clip stop, and just reset the frame to 1. And then we also want another one, but returns a boolean, so as play. We'll just get that to return as running. And there we go, that's our sound class. So next let's add a new package. And call this sounds. And I have some sound effects here, and they'll be in GitHub in the link below, so you'll be able to just download those. So I'll just add shoot just now. So in here, let's go to our player class. Our player weapons. Let's do private sound, or new sound class. Just call that shoot sound. Then we'll do new sound. Let's take an example of this. So it will be /com/playground program /sounds dot shoot dot lav. Now that we've done that, let's come in our shoot bullet method and do if shoot sound is, just noticed I called that player rather than playing. If shoot is playing, then shoot sound dot stop, then sound dot play. So let's see how that goes. So start it up, and there we go. We have more sound. So the next thing we want to do is add a noise when the player blows up. So thing about this, we don't. Okay, let's do it anyway. Explosion sound. The risk we have with this one is that for each enemy we are going to be adding sound to, which may take up quite a lot of resources. So we just took the path here, call that sounds. That will be explosion. I'll just copy this file. Again, these will be in GitHub, so don't worry. So let's do play here. If explosion sound is not playing, so put an exclamation mark there. see how this sounds. It's quite a hard hitting explosion. Right, and now that we've done that, one more place to add sound, I would say. But you can add these wherever you want. So when our player hits the side and then changes direction, we want to make a beep sound. So what I've called it is beep bop. So in here, let's create two new sounds and call beep and call one boop. Boop. Yeah, that was it. Beep boop. Then we'll have a boolean. Call that beep boop. So on here, let's just copy and paste what we've already done. So add two in here. Beep boop. Beep. So if beep boop is true, then say beep boop equals false, then put an else here, and then beep boop is false, then equal that to true. And we'll just do beep play, and then boop play. See how that goes? Oh, we need to add the sound. No. Just add the sound and sounds. So now when they hit the side, we should hear a beep. I think both of them should I want a boop and then a beep. Yeah. Okay. That's us for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope this was a good one. We're almost there, so yeah. We just need an end screen, I think. But let me know if I've missed anything. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.